Charity accounting software is software that can empower charities to cope with kind of the complex requirements that they have, whether that's regulatory changes, whether that's kind of fund sourcing, and whether that's fund accounting and reporting needs. It's also having software that can grow with a charity and enable them to grow regionally and internationally if required. So having a modern software that kind of gives them all that framework and base that they can expand on whilst giving them efficiencies and real-time data and those reporting requirements is a real win for charities out there. So yeah, the main need of charities is to report on fund accounting. It's quite a timely process, capturing all that data against transactions and being able to report on it and give it to various stakeholders. Having a modern finance system that can make that much more efficient is very important. Not only being able to capture the level of detail that's required in fund accounting, being able to report on it on the level of detail required, but also having the controls in place to make sure you're capturing it accurately and that you don't have to do those month-end adjustments or changes that can be very timely. The benefit of that as well with modern finance system is that you're getting this data in real time, capturing it at source, meaning that your various stakeholders can see this information, such as department managers and team members can get access to fund accounting almost instantly. We've seen quite a few changes in compliance recently with the various SORPs that are coming out, especially around kind of lease accounting, revenue recognition. We've seen changes with more enhancements of ESG reporting. Having systems that are staying up to date with these changes is really useful to try and streamline this process of how to manage revenue recognition, how to manage kind of ESG calculations. We see a lot of our customers that come over to us which are doing a lot of these calculations outside the system. Having systems that can support this, do these calculations, can really help finance teams and make the most of the data that you've already got in your system. Also, donor management is very important for charities as the main source of income, and getting that all kind of accurate and captured is very important. At Xledger, we recognise there are best of breed softwares out there that are best at capturing that and managing donors. What we do at Xledger is focus on best of breed finance and are really happy to integrate with those best of breed systems when it comes to donor management. So we have our open API that we're happy to integrate with the various donor management softwares that people use and are looking to kind of streamline the data into a finance system rather than trying to force people to change over to systems that maybe not fit their need. So budgeting is quite a key part of a charity. We get many charities that come to us with lack of visibility across the organisation on the budgets that they have, and there's a lot of reliance on finance to do a lot of the reviews and kind of management of this. With Xledger, we have the ability to release that ownership of a budget to the various team members and across the whole organisation, so there's less of a reliance on finance. You can get team members to be able to see, report on budgets, approve based on budgets and so forth. So there's not so much pressure on a single team. And the idea there is that we can have all that information across the organization, fast decisions can be made and a more efficient organization can work.